Hi everyone! If you think you need tons of fancy pens, sketchbooks, or paints to start urban sketching, wait a sec. I'm going to show you exactly what you really need to get started today. Nothing complicated, nothing expensive. I know it can feel overwhelming at first. You see all these tools online and you think all of these to even try. But guess what? That's not true. You can start small and still make amazing sketches. Here's what I recommended for beginners. A simple pen or fine liner, nothing fancy. A small sketchbook, not huge, just something you can carry. Optional, 2 to 3 basic watercolor colors. If you want to add color, that's it. Seriously, that's enough to get started. More tools don't make you a better sketcher. Actually, too many tools can confuse you or make you overthink every stroke. Start simple, focus on think, not collecting supplies. Remember, the best urban sketches are often made with the simplest tools. Don't buy 100 pens or paints. Buy one good pen you like and 2 to 3 colors you love. Here's the magic. It's not the number of tools, it's how you use them. Pick tools that let you practice freely. Don't worry about perfect lines or expensive brushes. Your sketchbook is your playground. Make mistake, experiment, have fun. That's where the magic happens. A tiny notebook or a small travel sketchbook is a game changer. You can sketch anywhere, you'll get used to drawing on the go. It builds confidence and habits. And here's the bonus. Every small sketch adds up to huge improvement over time. Here's a simple plan. Pick your favorite pen, pick 2 to 3 colors, draw 5 to 10 minutes a day, anywhere. Consistency beats perfection, always. Next video, we'll do something super exciting. Your very first urban sketch, step by step. You'll see how to turn these simple tools into something amazing. Don't miss it.